Hello, I am an engineer at Hòa Bình Company.
Hello, I am a worker at Độc Lập Factory.
Where do you work?
I work at Độc Lập Factory. And you?
I work at Hòa Bình Company.
What are your working hours?
I work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Sunday. And you?
I work from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Saturday.
What do you do after work?
I assemble car parts. What about you?
I design machine and visit the factory.
What do you wear at work?
I wear shirts and trousers. And you?
I wear coveralls and work gloves.
What do you wear at home?
I wear a tank top and shorts.
At home I wear t-shirt and socks. Thank you.
Thank you.